Cough. When should you see a doctor? Coughs are common, and most are caused by viral infections that get better on their own. But some symptoms are warning signs. Seek medical attention if you're coughing up blood, feeling short of breath or struggling to breathe, having a persistent fever along with your cough, coughing for more than 3 weeks, or experiencing chest pain when you cough. If your symptoms are severe, persistent, or getting worse, see a healthcare professional. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Follow for more important medical updates.